everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn about k sound. What is this k sound? Yes, in English, there are two letters C and K have same sound. K as in cat, k as in kite. These two letters have same sound, but the letters are different. And at times, C and K comes together in the end of few words. Why this is happening? Let me understand the simple rule behind these sounds. Okay, this is the spelling sound. When you hear k sound, you use C or K or CK? Let us check when to use the letter C. Usually, we have to use the letter C when it comes with A, O and U vowels. Cap, cop, cup. Here the C sounds K. So whenever A, O, U comes in a word, we should use C in the beginning. And whenever the vowel Z and I comes in a word, in the beginning of the word, we should use letter K. At the end of a short vowel sound, we have to use C and K together. Wherever you hear short vowel sound and followed by K sound, then we have to use CK letters together. Lock, pick, jacket. So here these vowels are short vowel sound and it has a end. So we are using C and K together in the end of the word. Thank you.